Welcome to the Tyrell video blog IBC 2009.
So Exterity, founded in 2001, we're a Scottish-based company and we specialise in IP delivery of live television, encoded video, digital signage. But one of the important things about Exterity is we've got a complete end-to-end solution, so we can bring in the content, we can provide other content like video on demand content, and we can play it out through our own set-top boxes or through PC clients that can be either standalone clients on PCs or could be embedded into solutions which somebody else could write, like middleware companies in hotels, for instance. If you look at the product set we've got a very modular product set. So we sell things today based on blades, and the blades will have some sort of functionality. This functionality can then fit into either a single, a triple, or a 10-slot chassis. Right, so assuming that from a starting position that we've got a multicast IGMP-enabled network, which is very key in order to control the bandwidth on the network, then from a very simple solution, so something like we've done in small schools, for instance, we would take a single TV gateway card, which could be one of these, which would fit into a single slot chassis, which we call the C1101. So from the viewing end, from a very simple point of view, we could just offer some PC client software.
Okay.
So you could have a very simple standalone client that would listen for the streams by itself. It would split the streams up into TV stations, radio stations. There's a slot for files, which is where you could do personal recording on the fly. And also it can listen to and play the on-demand video that's available through a video on-demand server. So if you look at the capabilities of some of the other products, then here we have our 3530, which has actually got a VGA interface as well as a HDMI interface. And this will encode anything from an HDMI source or from the PC, as we were talking about previously. So if you want to create your own signage on a PC, then you can use this product to create the stream to make it available to everybody on the network. Now, whilst to say you can make it available to everybody on the network, there's a high degree of control. So we have a software platform called the IPTV Professional Manager, and this allows you to group channels. So you can have a channel called All, which does what it says, or you could have a channel called Nix Channel. And then only people that you want to allow to see Nix Channel, whether it's the clients or the set-top boxes, will actually even know that that channel exists. They're very flexible in that we could also easily set up a stream. So you have to remember that because it fits into an Ethernet slot, then each slot can be an input and an output. So if you've got mobile encoders with mobile cameras, you could actually very easily set up a broadcast of an event or a meeting completely ad hoc by just putting the encoder in the Ethernet slot in the room you're in, having the camera running on the end of it and calling it whatever you like, and suddenly that program is then available to all and sundry on the network. So the functionality of these things are TV gateways that will provide live, free-to-air as well as encrypted streams from broadcasts. So that's the BBCs, the ITVs, the France Telecom, whoever the broadcasts have come from. And at the same time, we can encode various things. So various things like cameras, digital set-top boxes, microscopes, anything that can give a AV output, we can take as an input and make it available as an IP stream on the network.